2024, the DPWH Iligan City District Clearing Office will have a pre-bid conference for one and plus projects. We start with led by Engineer Margel. Present are the following: Christian Joy Garcia, back Vice Chairperson, yours truly, the UPS back member, Madam Salagar, back Professional member, back Sharina Berlin M. Castiles, Vice Procurement Unit, Joy Tayongtong, back Secretariat member, Mark Jan Cartigas Bonas, back TWG member, and Raynel Palomo as back TW member. So,
since majority of the back member are present, therefore I declare a quorum.
So the subject of our pre-bid conference for today is 24GJ0096 with the source of fund of GEA 2024 demo project, construction of road beside Garage, Tubay, Malabago Road, Barangay Tubay, Haro, Iloilo, with an appropriation of 15 million, with an ABC of 14,850,000. So all the documents are ready now for the contractors to verify if they have questions, but since there is no contractor attended the pre-bid conference, the pre-bid conference is hereby adjourned.